This is $12.95 South Getty, and it's all cleaned out. There's like nothing in here anymore. Bathroom's all cleaned out. There was a bunch of shit here before, you guys probably saw, but nothing in here now, just furniture left. And let's see what's on the front porch. I just dropped a bunch of stuff off in the dumpster. Oh dang, this looks pretty nice out here. This is a cool little front porch. My girlfriend's here with me, but she doesn't want to be in the video, so. We left the box spring, because I'm probably gonna just get a mattress and then put the, whatchamacallit, just a bed frame down. So the bedroom, this will be just really quick. I just wanted to like, update, I guess, like the clean out. Still kind of trashy out here and outside, but I had 4 I-beams put in the basement for, it was $3,600, but they put 4 beams in and they tuck pointed the entire wall. So I mean, this looks really good to me. Like, you guys probably remember what it looked like before, but for $3,600, I mean, this will stop the wall from moving. I mean, you can obviously see that it's buckled. You got quite a bit of, you know, gap there, but this will stop it. So that's all that matters, really. And he was gonna do the entire basement for like 10 grand, but this wall was the worst. So that's all I wanted done, really. But yeah, that's it. Keep you guys updated as it goes on. All right, see you.